What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back at it again with another video, but this time we're gonna be fishing, straight up fishing. All right, I'm gonna be meeting up with one of my friends, and we're gonna be doing some striper fishing. So hopefully we actually get some fish. The last time I went fishing, which I didn't vlog, which I should have, we got catfish and stripers. And I think that was about it that we caught, and this should be an awesome trip. Let's do this. So I've never done this type of fishing before. So as my friend was saying, we're gonna be on his boat and we're gonna be letting the lines just go and we're gonna be jerking. So that's the plan. I don't know how well this is or what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be asking a whole bunch of questions. And I think we're gonna be using lures, not like chop baits and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. I don't remember the place we're going, but all I know is I have to be there at 2, and GPS says I'll be there at 1:47. So, you know, if you're early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late. It's a little cloudy, and we are fishing later on in the day. I'm supposed to be, like I said, 2 p.m. is the meetup time, and he said we're gonna be leaving. Oh, it's a lot of hawks. We're gonna be leaving the lake around 8 p.m., 8-ish, 9-ish, and start heading back. I'm not the best fisherman in the world. I'm just, you know, learning again how to fish. So the overcast, and it's not too hot today either. So it should be good for fishing, but we'll see, man. You know, with fishing, it's always hit or miss. So this is the boat that we're going to be doing a lot of trolling. I think that's what he said. Trolling or trawling? I don't remember. But we're definitely jerking, though. Is this your first time on camera?
Yeah. Don't put on camera again, man.
Alright, so that's my friend Junior. Some would say he's my dad, but he's just my homie. Okay.
Hold the line right now.
Go for it.
And to put the line down, you want to click this one. Okay. Now you want it to stop it like that, okay? Okay. So right now we're gonna shake it. We're not going fast, so the line's not gonna go down, but you're just gonna do this. Okay. Shake it. Okay, now it's going down, right? Okay. So we're on. This right here is to tighten up the reel. Okay. And this to loosen. Okay. So when the fish jerks, you want to stop it. So now we're tight, right? So the fish hits. And right now we're just gonna loosen the line. I'm gonna go a little fast, just hold it like that. You'll see the line go down.
Okay. Yeah, it's going. You want it all? Okay.
They're like yellow. So.
Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
Come on. No!
Come on, baby.
No! He let go! He let go!
Yeah?
I think so. No, 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 no!
Keep doing it! Keep doing it! Keep doing it!
Come on, baby.
Yeah, keep rolling it in, baby. Yeah. Keep getting it in. Just keep rolling.
Come on, baby. Come on. He's right here!
Here we go!
Let's go, dude! Hell yeah!
Bring it up slow. Bring it up slow. There we go. Oh, that's a biggie. Dude, that's a biggie.
Let's go, dude!
That's a biggie.
Yes!
I told you.
Yes! Let's go, dude! I jerked it! I jerked it! Let's go, baby!
Make sure you hold this really tight.
Okay.
Like that.
Woo! First fish of the day, guys.
Hold it tight. Hold it
Look
tight.
how big this guy is. Holy smokes. How big do you think this is?
Dude, I have a measurement.
Let's do it.
I think this is about 20 plus. Man.
20 plus. Oh my gosh, guys. We got him from Jerkin. He caught us jerking. Woo! Let's go, dude.
21.
21, baby.
21 inch.
We're 21. Yeah, let's go, Junior. Come on. Do you want me to get the net?
No.
Okay. Let's go, Junior. Come on, man.
Feel good.
You got it. You got it.
Long haul, man.
Yeah,
tired, dude.
Yeah.
Because your line is so far away, you know?
Yeah. There it is.
It is.
There it is.
It is. I'll take it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Whatever size it is. Okay, I'll take it.
Hell yeah.
All right, all right.
Fish on, let's go, baby. Come on. I think this might be a big one. I'm actually not too sure though.
It's bending, man. Bending
Yeah.
like Beckham.
Let me just get it.
It's bending.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, it's just that area, so we'll just go up and down this area.
Okay. Oh, he's fighting.
Okay. When he's fighting, you can always let go of the drag by just pressing down, but it's okay, just get it in.
Okay. Oh, he's fighting.
Okay.
Holy smokes.
That's a big one, man. That's a big one. Yeah, if you're like that, that's a big one, brother.
Come on.
Yeah, let it rest a little bit. Bring it in over and say, I got it. Bring it over here.
Okay.
Move your, yeah. Make sure you put, oh, that's a big one.
Yeah. Oh, God.
That's a big one. That's that red one. Okay, don't fight it too much. Okay.
There he is right there.
Let it come, let it come. Yeah. I got you.
Okay.
Hold him up.
Oh.
It's a biggie. It's biggie. Over here.
All right. Oh my God. Come on.
Slowly, baby.
Okay.
Slowly.
There we go.
Get it, daddy. Oh. Come on, bring it. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, it jumped over. Oh my God.
Let's go. Yeah. Got one.
Yeah.
Fish on. Come on. I don't think this one is as big.
Okay,
Actually, it's fighting.
It's a fish, man. It's a fish. Told you, anytime you see red, a lot of red like that, we're bound to get it.
Yeah.
Swing over here.
Huh? Okay. Oh, he's trying to go away.
He's trying to go away. It's big, but that's a big one.
Come on.
Slow it up.
Oh God. He's fighting. He's fighting.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look at the spindle wheel.
Okay. Oh my God, he's fighting hard, dude. There he goes, there he goes.
Okay, so another big one.
What do you want him?
This side.
Okay.
Slowly. Come on.
God damn it.
Come on. Slowly.
Dude.
Slowly.
Ugh.
Okay, slowly, don't let him fight.
Okay.
Don't let him jump.
Okay.
Keep pulling it in. Dude, it's not even as big as the other one, but
Let's go. Oh, dude.
Dude, I'm just your navigation, man.
Oh my God. Dude, he
There you go.
He gave me a fight, dude.
Hey, this one fought more than the other one, huh?
Yeah. Than the bigger one.
Yep.
There he is right there. Oh my God. Got a fish. This one's not as big though.
Okay.
Yeah. It's easy. Thank you, baby Jesus. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, dude. There he is. Right here. What is that, like 8 inches?
No, that's more.
You think so? Okay. Nice little guy right here. Yes. Come on. Get another big one. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Oh, come on.
I just knew, man. They're chasing those bait fish. They're gonna see online.
Let's go, Junior. Oh, man.
Get that net.
All right, I got you. What side are you gonna bring him
on? Your side.
Okay.
Oh shit, it's coming this way. Get that.
Okay.
Come on over here.
I got you.
Yeah, I want to see this. Ooh.
Damn. Oh, he is bigger than mine.
Let's see.
Come on, bro.
Ooh.
Dang. Come on, you got it, you got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Netted. Netted. Let's go, baby.
Baby.
Good shit, good shit.
Oh, shit.
Good shit.
Oh, man. Dude, look at that.
Dude.
Look at that.
So mine was 26 and a half.
Yeah, I think it's the same, dude.
Okay. Let's see.
Let's put the same, dude. 25.
25, yes.
You're still bigger, bro. Yeah, you're still fine. You're
Yep,
26.
I'm still bigger.
You're still big.
I'm still big. About 3 hours, we caught 6 fish, one small, probably about 8 inches, and the other ones are all 20 plus. I'm still the biggest, 26 and a half. Junior's at 26, so, you know, every inch counts, man, just saying. But we're taking a break now. It's time to eat, so. Dude, let's go. We're having a good time. We're having a good time.
Yeah, baby. I'm glad that, you know, you're able to make it out.
Heck yeah, man. Thanks for inviting me. We're killing it out here. Yeah, we're gonna be cooking the stripers. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna have time to cook it today, but maybe tomorrow. We're going to a new spot.
That's our first one.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah. He might be a small guy.
Okay. This is a good size.
Oh, shit.
Good size.
He's actually fairly big. He's not even fighting that much.
Size, buddy. Red, man. Ooh, dang it.
Woohoo!
Yeah, it's
Let's
red,
go, dude.
It's red. It's red. So when it's red, you know that it's not small. This
yeah,
is big.
dude.
That is almost like the one I caught, dude.
Hell yeah.
Damn.
Let's go, dude. Calm down. Yes, let's go.
Yeah,
let's go. Come on. Let me know if you need help. Okay, I got you. I got you. I'm coming. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah. See him. He's over here on this side. Got it. Still not bigger than mine. Oh. All right, so we finished the day. I don't know how many we got, but Junior got the last 2 and they're pretty big, so that's gonna be it, man. We're gonna be heading home, separating the fish. Oh my god, I had such a good time, dude. It was awesome fishing today. Awesome fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share the video if you guys can. Please. And yeah, man, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.